All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from $50 to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at $50 and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, traders, so it's May 19th. So here we are in the futures market with the scalper algorithm. Right here we had our switch, and you can see the tower candle with the red triangle inside indicating a short. So I entered a trade short right here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record it, but I entered short right here, and then I just moved my stop down here somewhere, and it just barely popped me out. So we end up getting stopped out of that. We're looking for a retracement of half to full of the tower candle, and I could have been a little more patient and tried to get a little more out of it. This looks like it's going to go there. It was like already here, and I was like, oh, I'll just put my stop in and trail it, and then it just popped up just enough to get me out and then continue down. So that's how it goes. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit so you can see this a little better. Sorry I wasn't able to record this trade from beginning to end. It kind of surprised me, and I was like, you know what, I just need to make the trade. It's on a 5-minute candle, and then try to get my screen recorder up. And unfortunately, I was out before I can get it up and running. But 71 bucks, nice little scalper, real fast there. Usually the scalper algorithm allows me to get out within a few candles. You know, it could take a while to have a setup, but once the setup happens, we get the switch, we get the indication. Usually we're out within a few candles, so it's pretty sweet. All right, traders, hopefully bring another futures trade to you from beginning to end on the next one. All right, everybody, so this is going to do it for me for this day's cycle in the futures market. I don't know how to capture my options trades just yet for you so you can actually get to enjoy it on the chart and all that stuff. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to capture that to read the best on the channel. But right here you can see we have our options trade that we took. Actually, no, this is yeah, that is our options trade. But so up here are my trades for today. So I'm just looking at you see the options trade here, but you don't see this this scalper trade showing up down here. Yes, you do. It's right here. MES. So a little confusing on how to. I got to figure out how to display these better so that you can see them and enjoy them. Because you know, where's this extra money coming from? So yeah. Anyway, so here's my trades up here. You can see these up here, and then on the chart, my algo had set. This is my options trading algo. It set up, gave me my options trade right around here, my target down here. Boom, hit that target, got out of my options trade. And again, this is my small account, my social media account, not my family account. So it's small little winners. But and then right here we have we had our scalping algo that triggered. This is a 30-minute chart you're looking now. The scalper was on the 5-minute chart, so that's why it's inside that candle there. But let's go over and look at the log real quick. I think I'll be able to better display it. All right, so here we are with the log on the futures. No, on the day trade market. Day trade wasn't so great yesterday, last 2 days. All right, so here we are with the futures. So we had our trade today, 161 bucks for today, so not too bad. I'm going to try and start doing more futures trades and get these up. And then that helps my day a lot. Now we're at 441 for the day. We're only down 145 for the month because of what happened in the day trading strategy over here. Thank goodness I had some other trades lessen the beating on that day outside of day trading. I had I think we had a what did we have? It was the 17th futures on the 7th. Yeah, we had a futures trade on the 17th to help us with that day not look so bad. But yeah, 145 bucks down for the month. A lot of days left in the month, so we should be able to recover that green, no problem. And then on the futures market, again, not trading that much. We're still doing pretty good. You know, we're green on the year, 2,600 bucks. So pretty good. So there we are, everybody. We'll see you on the next trade.